Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Myself Shehnaz, pursuing my UJ in Physics cum Computer Applications at Vidyasagar Women's College. I'm here to present a small basic program on student profile form. I hope you get to know certain precise information about this program which may be useful for you. Without getting any further delay, let's get into the program. First, we are opening the notepad and starting our program. At first, we are opening the HTML tag. Following to that, we are opening the body tag, and then in the next line the title tag. Here I am using greeting as title and then closing the title tag. In the next line we are opening the head tag. Within the head tag we will assign the background color, script language, font size of the content which will be displayed as a output. We are opening body bg color. Here body is a tag, bg is an attribute, that is background color is attribute. Here we are using light sky blue as background color. Here I would like to give you an alternative way for assigning background color. You can also give any kind of name instead of mentioning color. The server in the computer would assign specific color for the given name. Then we are opening h1 style. Here h1 is tag, style is an attribute. h1 is basically assigning the font size of the content. We can also assign the font size between h1 to h6. Now we are assigning it as h1 here. Within double quotes we are going to text align center. Basically we are aligning the text at center. Now entering student profile form and closing the h1 tag. Then we are opening the script tag and mentioning JavaScript as script language. Instead, you can also type as script language equal to text bar JavaScript. Then in the following line, we have to type first name equal to prompt, please enter your name. In the next line, document.write hello plus first name plus welcome to my web page. Then in the next line we are opening the p tag, which is paragraph tag. There we are typing this is my web page and closing the p tag. Within the p tag you can also write as much as content you want. As for now I'm writing this single line. Then close the head tag. Then opening table class equal to table bordered. Then we are opening the tr tag, that is table row tag. The infos that is mentioned within the table row tag will be displayed as a table row column, that is similar to the structure of resume. Then we are opening the th width. Th is a tag, width is an attribute. Th means table height. We are assigning table height width as 30% and entering roll number there and closing the th tag. Then td width. Here td is a tag, width is an attribute. td means table data. We are assigning table data width as 2% and closing the table data tag. And then in the next line we are opening the td tag and entering the roll number. In the previous th width we have mentioned roll number and we have to reveal the particular roll number in the td tag, and we are closing the tr tag. Similarly we have to do for the other tr tag. Only thing we have to change is our information in the th width and td tag. We have to mention age instead of roll number in the th width. In the td tag we have to mention our age. For example, if your age is 18 or 20, you have to mention your age in the td tag. And similarly the other informations you have to enter. Like and dislike tag is also quite similar to the previous tag, but the only thing that we have to pay attention is in the td tag we have to mention an extra tag in between the td tag, that is a name equal to top, html reference is equal to bottom, hashtag bottom, and then like, and then close the td tag. Likewise we have to do for the dislike one. Then we are opening the bold tag and opening a HTML reference tag and attaching a link from computer to the HTML reference tag and closing it and entering hobbies and closing the bold tag. And in the next line opening the h1 tag and entering dislike and closing the h1 tag. And in the next following line opening the OL type, where OL is tag, type is a attribute. OL means order list. OL type equal to 1, and in the next line we are listing out our dislike things, that is video game, listening, rocking music, coding, cooking, sports, etc., and closing the OL. And in the next line, opening h2 tag and entering like and closing the h2 tag. And in the next line, opening ul style, where ul is tag, style is an attribute, ul style equal to circle, and listing out our liked things using the li tag, and then closing ul tag, and then closing body tag, and then closing the html. Here comes the program to an end. In order to save the completed program, we have to click onto the file button, and there appears save option. We have to click onto the save option, and there appears a screen like this. In the place of file name, you have to mention whatever name you want, but it is must to mention .html after the name that you mention. For example, in the file name I'm mentioning program.html, and then I'm saving it. In order to get the output of the program that we saved, we have to go to the my computer folder, and there in the local disk we can find our program that we saved. We have to right click the program that we saved. We can get the options like this, which is displayed in the screen, like open with. We have to right click the open with, and we can get an option like a Windows, Internet Explorer, Notepad. We have to click on to Internet Explorer, and there we can get our output. When we get our output, we can see a small box there like Explorer user prompt. This is because at the beginning of our program we have done something like please enter your name. First prompt, please enter your name. That's why we are getting this box. In this box we have to mention our name, and here this is our output with sky blue color as a background color. And that's it, we are done with our program. And yeah, we are done with our program and output. I hope this will be helpful to you. If you have any kind of suggestions or questions regarding this program, feel free to ask about it in the comment section below. We would be glad to respond to you. Thank you for watching. Do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.